Bore da, croeso i sesiwn Ffit Yn 5 dydd Iau. Nes i weld chi gyd, gobeithio bod chi gyd wedi mwynhau gwyliau pas cyd yn hyn. Mae'r tywydd wedi bod yn braf, so ni wedi gallu bod mas tu fas sy'n grêt. Heddiw sesiwn ola'r wythnos, so this is the last session of the week this week. There's a bank holiday tomorrow and again on Monday, so we won't have another session for you now until next Tuesday. Okay? So bydd ddim sesiwn ar ôl heddi tan dydd Mawrth, ond gallwch chi wastad mynd nôl a watcho unrhyw hen sesiwn ar YouTube a ar Facebook rhywbryd to ar ôl i ni orffen y sesiwn. Bore yma 5 gweithgaredd, so 5 activities this morning. Yr un cynta yw fyny'r ysgol, okay? So hwn yr un ni wedi gwneud o blaen, amser ni'n cleimo lan yr ysgol, so mae coesau ni'n mynd a mae breichiau ni yn gweithio hefyd. Rhif 2 yw sit-ups, okay? The second one is sit-ups, so we're going to go down on the floor, lie down on the floor, and then we're going to raise our shoulders and back off the floor whilst keeping our feet on the ground. So, rhywbeth fel hyn, gobeithio bod chi'n gweld, so byddwn ni'n mynd lawr a nôl lawr. So nawr gweithgaredd rhif 2. Rhif 3 yw side hops, okay? Ni wedi gwneud side hops o blaen. So ni'n dechrau'r un cwrs, a ni'n mynd i fod yn hopo o un ochr i'r llall a cadw cydbwysedd ni yn y canol. Gweithgaredd rhif 4 yw squats, ond ni'n mynd i wneud y bach yn wahanol heddi. Ni'n mynd i wneud 7 rep o rhan gwylod y squat, wedyn 7 o rhan top, a wedyn 7 o'r holl symudiad. Okay? So we're going to do the squat slightly differently. So the first 7 we're going to go down a bit already. We're going to do the lower part of the squat. So we're going to start in this position, and we're just going to be going down. So it's a smaller movement. Then we'll do 7 from the top and only down to halfway. And then the last 7, or the next 7, we will do the full movement. Okay, so ni'n mynd i rhannu fel lan. A wedyn rhif 5 yw wneud seren. So the last one is the star jump. So there are 5 activities for today. Okay? So, ni'n mynd i twymo lan gyntaf. So, ni'n mynd i dechrau just cael ni symud y coesau, symud y breichiau. Symud yn ôl ymlaen. Nawr, yr un pryd fi eisiau ni i droi a wneud cylchoedd. Okay, we do arm circles, we do them forwards to start off with. And then we go backwards. Just to stretch up popeth mas. A nôl ymlaen. A cwbl nôl to. Da iawn, just rhoi bach o shake iddyn nhw. Okay, nawr newn ni tapo mas i'r ochr. Da iawn, so we're just going to tap the floor to the side. And nawr newn ni'r un peth, ond ni'n mynd i fynd mlaen a gyda'r heel i'r llaw. So we're going to do our heel forwards. And we'll combine that with the elbows as well. Iawn. Good. And ni nôl mewn I marcho. Then we speed over lan to the back. So we're going to do a fast march. And into a bit of a jog. Okay, so gobeithio bod hyn I gyd yn cael ni'n barod I wneud sesiwn ni. Gobeithio bod gyda chi dŵr. Okay, da iawn. Sigla bach I breichiau'r coesau. So, 5 gweithgaredd, 5 munud. So, ni'n ni cael yr amser yn barod. Gobeithio bod e wedi chargio digon. So, un cyntaf, fyny'r ysgol. Okay, up the ladder. So, pawb yn barod. 5 eiliad. 3, 2, 1, bant yn ni. Okay, so gyda hwn, un esgus bod ni'n dringo lan ysgol. So falle bod ni fel dyn tan. Okay, so we're going to go up the ladder, so our feet go up, and we're going to pull ourselves up with our arms as well. Okay, so you can do it as fast or as slow as you like. If you want to go into a bit of a jog, go for it. Da iawn, good start. Sit bach o dŵr. Barod I fynd unwaith to. 3, 2, 1, bant y ni. So ni'n dringo lan. Cael y cefn yn syth. Okay, back straight. We're just going to go working our arms and legs together. So this is a good activity because we're doing quite a lot. We're working our upper body and lower body. Okay, da iawn, good start. So gweithgaredd rhif 2, okay, sit-ups, mae sawl ffordd gallwch chi wneud hwn. I'm going to do the more conventional way, so just lying down on the floor, feet flat to the floor, and we're just going to be working our core muscles, and we're going to be taking our shoulders and back off the ground, and then back down. Okay? Mae sawl ffordd gwahanol gallwch chi wneud e, ond hwnna yw beth fi'n mynd I fod yn wneud fôr yma. So lan ni, a lawr. Okay, fi'n rhoi dwylo fi'n groes y chest. So chi rhoi o'r bwys y pen, so chi fod yn mestyn mas, I pengliniau chi, lan I chi. Okay, whatever feels comfortable. Be careful on the way down that you don't knock your head on the floor, especially if you've got a hard floor. Da iawn. Dyle fe fod yn gweithio y core muscles. Okay, so ni'n gwybod bod hwnna'n really bwysig. Okay, ready to go again? So back into position. A bant y ni. Da iawn. So with something like this, the slower you do it, the harder you work. Good job. Rhif 3. So, okay, so side hops. Ni wedi gwneud hwn o blaen, so dechrau un cwrs ar yr ochr, a ni'n mynd I fod yn symud a hopo draw i'r ochr arall a cadw balance ni. Okay, so try and keep everything still, apart from going from one foot to the other. Okay, so power barrels, start on whichever leg you feel most comfortable. A wedyn ni'n mynd I hopo nôl ymlaen. Don't want the hops to be too far. But nice and controlled. Da iawn chi, carfend. Good job. Bach dŵr. Barod I fynd unwaith to. So dechrau un gwrs. And off we go. Da iawn chi. Cadw fi yn galed. Less than 10 seconds. Okay, so ni mlaen i'r squats. Okay? Ni'n mynd i trial o'n Harris a nes i mwyn mynd i gweithio. So we'll start with the lower part of the movement. So we'll be starting with our knees slightly bent. And we're just going to do the first 7, where it's going to be the lower part. Then we'll do the top part. And then we'll do one big movement for 7. Okay, so again, you're actually moving gweithio. Okay, so lawr. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now mynd reit blan, lawr hanner ffordd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A nawr ni'n mynd i'r holl beth. 1. Okay, good job. So we're going 7, 7 a 5 to na. So we're now good. Okay, so same again. We start with the lower half of the exercise, then the top half, and then all together for the last 7. When you badly bend. Saith. 1, 2, 3. A saith ola. Da i chi, good job, hwnna'n galed ar y coesau. Mae'n wedi ar ôl i fod yn hopo y gweithgaredd cyn ni. So 1 to go, star jumps to finish off. Bach dŵr, a ni'n barod i fynd. Gweithgaredd ola, nes di mouth. So you get a long break before the next session, so work as hard as you can. Pwy'n in 3, 2, 1, bant ni. Star jumps to finish off. Carafend, keep working hard. Few seconds left. Da iawn. Lot o 30 geiriau yn ôl. Wedyn chi'n joio wir pas dros y weekend. Cwn i mewn, 5 beiliad. Bant ni. Carfyn, come on. Ni bit i hwnna. Nearly done for the day. 10 seconds. Da i chi, fantastic, great effort. So again, you just cool down gloi. Ewch chi o'r dŵr chi, a ni jyst yn mynd i cerdded rhwng y stafell. Cymryd sips bach o dŵr. Dyna coesau chi fod yn llosgi ar ôl wneud y hops, y squats a star jumps. Un o'r llall. Tuff o'r coesau. Okay, so ffindio bach o lle. Make a couple of stretches. So we're going to stretch off the quads. Let's call un cwrs lan. Dal efo fuel. And just kind of balance ar y cwrs arall. Os dwi'n dal ar rhywbeth. So chi'n neud, i dal y clust. I helpu ni gyda balance. Yna'n gret. Dal ar am o lei'r 10 eiliad. Shiglo off a newid. A wedyn yr un peth ar y llall. Cadw trwy trwyn, mas trwy cig. Da iawn. Yn ei hamstrings nawr. So wrth ni'n gwneud hwn, hun ar y llawr, cwrs yn syth, plygu'r cwrs arall, cefn syth. And then we should feel the stretch in the back of this leg. So one leg straight, with the heel up, heel down, toes up, and change. Okay, so hamstrings we can do in a lot of different ways. Gael chi eisiau go off. Just dibynnu off mewn i'r hip flexors. Okay, so lawr ar un pen glin, push your hips mlaen, baich lan, a dych chi'n teimlo stretch mewn ar ffrant y hip. Da iawn, cadw'n adlu. Good, a newid. Baich lan, push your hip mlaen. Then you want to take a really good stretch ar ffrant y hip. Da iawn chi, diolch am ymuno. Cofiwch sesiwn nesaf ni nawr ddim nes dydd Mawrth, ond bydd sesiwn yn cadw fynd wedyn trwy fy gweddill gwyliau Pasg lan hyd at y Gwener. Okay, so remember sessions will continue next week, but not until Tuesday. Joiwch penwythnos, okay? Gobeithio gewch chi lot o wyau Pasg. Okay, enjoy your Easter eggs. If you've eaten too much, make sure you join us next week to do some more physical activity. Yeah? Cofiwch fideos I gael ar tudalen Facebook, channel YouTube. Ewch I watching yn ôl. Okay? Diolch, mwynhewch penwythnos. Ta-da!